So ito na guys, yan. Tikman natin. Ang bango, grabe.
Is this one Lexus straight tomato?
So ngayon guys, titikman tayo ng kanilang mga street food. 10 street foods yung titikman natin sa video na ito. Kaya naman sana samahan niyo ako at sana kayanin ko tong makain lahat. Kung ready na kayo dyan, mag-ready na kayo ng pagkain para hindi kayo magutom. Okay? So ito guys, yung tawag nila ditong La Bomba. So may mixture siya ng iba't ibang uri ng seafood. May shrimp, merong octopus, and meron siyang, ayan, basta, tingnan natin. Isa to sa mga paborito nila dito na street food. Tara. Parang siyang kinilaw na hipon. So ito para siyang shrimp cocktail din actually.
Similar. They use captions, mayonnaise sauce, garlic, onions, Tabasco.
Ito naman guys, yung local na soft drink sila dito. Hindi to gasolina guys. Yung local soft drink sila.
Yeah, it's really expensive. Really expensive.
Tastes like
Because right
caramel.
here in Cartagena,
In
you will find
fairness.
people.
Iba yung lasa.
1 million right. But you will find people on the south of Cartagena that they must survive just with 200 guys.
So ito na guys, tikman natin yung kanilang plantain with cheese.
You need a spicy word. Cheese or
So ito guys, tikman na natin yung ating plantain with cheese and spicy sauce.
No?
You're eating like a lot. So will I some spicy right here?
Yeah, this is
So,
Parang wala naman siyang special na lasa. Nalasa ko lang yung cheese
how
niya.
was the spicy sauce? Was good. Do you have maybe any sauce similar in your country?
Nalasa ko lang yung cheese at saka yung
Maybe.
anghang. Pero wala naman siyang strong flavor.
Got it.
So what is the main flavor of the plantain with the sauce?
What is it?
The main flavor, like what's the main taste that I expect?
The plantain.
Mm.
So it's garlic.
Ah, it's garlic. Okay, Francis, voice over to. And what do you call it? The plantain with cheese? What do you call that food?
When we want to order,
Ah,
I need a couple.
I need a couple.
Yeah. In Spanish, it's matrimonio. They immediately catch the idea. That you
Matrimonio?
need plantain with cheese.
Ah, okay.
But if you need just plantain, hey, I need a plantain. Or patacon or toston.
What again in Spanish?
Patacon.
Patacon.
Or toston.
Toston. So ito naman guys, yung tawag nila na in English parang happiness, made of popcorn, honey, coconut, gonna be sweet. Actually, itong area na to, tindahan to ng mga candies eh. So, tara, tikman natin.
Yeah.
Sobrang kunat guys.
That's good. Andre. Okay, guys.
Meron siyang kalasang
Please,
pagkain sa atin eh.
try before happiness, no?
Kalasa niya yung
First
mani
time,
na ano, bilog,
We have to
panot
try
siya.
it right here.
Ito guys, try naman natin yung kokobas
Passion
nila.
fruit.
So coconut siya na matamis.
What about you?
Hindi ko alam anong flavor niya.
What about you?
So parang pakiramdam ko pareho lang din ang pagkain natin.
Passion fruit. Oh, you would never regret about it. I promise you. What about you, sir?
Ang pareho lang paborito yung
Guava?
hindi ko alam ang tawag sa atin ng ganito pero meron tayong ganito sa Pilipinas.
I can tell
Wala kami sa probinsya namin eh.
just have a meal. And this one is called panderitos.
So guys, meron tayo ditong titikman ulit panibagong dessert nila. Ang tigas siya. Lasang puto seko. Puto seko talaga siya.
Okay, guys, so I would like to show you something. So, right here we have different special sauce. Cheese.
So, ito na yung ating next naman na titikman. Ito naman yung kanilang arepa with cheese. Ang gamit nila is queso con... Nakalimutan ko na naman. So, titikman natin to guys. Actually, ang bango niya guys. So, nakakatakam yung amoy niya pa lang. Queso con cuevas.
Garlic. This one right here.
Okay,
This one
ito.
is garlic.
Gracias. So, ito na guys. Yan. Tikman natin. Ang bango, grabe. So, ito guys, tara. Sunset, ang init. Mainit itong pagkain ko, be. Pero sobrang bango. Melted cheese yung amoy na niya, be. Tara, tingnan na natin.
Garlic.
Actually, ang nalalaman niya, parang siyang pizza na yung lasa niya. Sarap. Pero sobrang nakakabusog to, be, kasi ang bigat sa tiyan ng cheese. At saka ang dami na namin kinain for today's video.
Oh, you probably some ketchup. Some ketchup on this.
With ketchup, it's pizza now. Akala ko guys, yung in-expect kong lasa niyan is matamis. Ang layo, be. Para siyang pizza. Kulang na lang is tomato sauce. Kulang na lang ng pepper. Kulang na lang ng mga tabs sa pizza. Pizza na talaga siya.
So right here, this bread, because this is bread, one of the best in South America.
So ito guys, tikman na natin yung kanilang pandibono
You
dito.
will have the chance to try the fruit.
Sobrang init niya.
Okay, how was the pane bono? It's good. How was the pane bono? It was good. And how was the juice? Delicious, right? So, if you want to prepare it at home,
So itong
basic coca, which is
pandibono,
salt,
be, or
sugar,
somehow iba parang tayo pandiyuka ata. Kasi yuka yung laman niya or kamoting kahoy. Ayan oh.
feel the cheese when you are
Second
eating
best na
with
tinapay sa buong mundo. So,
right? It's phenomenal. That's why it's the second
bongga. Though,
most
iba yung pandibono dito versus ang pandibono
bread around the world.
sa ibang city nila.
Something similar in your country?
Wow. Ayan guys, yung kamoting kahoy niya sa loob.
And this
Sarap.
place was
Actually,
planted right
sa mga
there
kaibigan ko pumunta
around
dito, sabi ko sila, itry nyo ito.
years.
Itry nyo ito. Ito naman guys,
Juan Valdez.
ito naman ako kanilang inamin. Hindi ko alam ano to.
In Colombia.
What is the mix of this?
So this one is not a mix.
Oh, what's the juice?
In our export number 7, I'm going to show you the fruits, and you will have the chance to try the fruits,
What,
which
what?
is called lulo.
Ah, lulo.
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 Yeah. Lulo. Yeah, in English it's like pop, double O, right?
Sa mga kinain ko today, pinakagusto ko pa rin yung kinilaw. Pandibono, paborito ko na talaga siya given even before coming here. Tikman ko na kasi siya, so masarap talaga siya. At in case bempadpad kayo dito, be, huwag na rin kayo mag-Starbucks dito, i-try nyo ito na kanilang Juan Valdez. Paalala ko, be, ha? Cartagena to, Colombia. Hindi to Calicrosologo vegan. So guys, ito tingnan natin ano yung laman ng kanilang soup dito. Ayan, meron siyang chicken, parang paa ng manok ata to. Merong patatas, may mga carrots, ay may buto ng manok. Ay. Nagulat ako sa boto, parang inagawan ko pa ata ng pagkain yung pusa. Tara, ayun tayo. Yung soup dito, be, tinatawag nila na sopa, kaldo, at saka nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng isa. Paki-comment down kung alam niyo. Pero kain tayo. Kadalasan kasi kinakain nila yung sopas pag may sakit sila or may hangover. Sa init ng panahon ngayon, be, tamang-tama talaga, guys.
You know what is that? Any idea about it? Oh my god.
No.
That one is tree tomato.
Ha?
Tree tomato. So this one is delicious, but just right? But you will have to just try now.
Tomato tree. How about the skin of this?
No.
No, also?
The skin of that one. That one is tree tomato. Yes. Well, no, it's your favorite.
It's like tomato but papaya.
You know what is that?
Tomato. Tomato again. The fourth tomato. After three.
Do you know which one is our capital right here?
Bogota.
This is cherry from Bogota.
Okay.
Cherry. The
Cherry.
flavors is like a plum, but it's cherry from Bogota.
Tikman natin to guys na malaking cherry ng Bogota. Laki no? Ang lasa niya, parang plum daw. Pero hindi ko sana parang plum. Ang tabang ng lasa niya eh.
Right? And now, you know what is that?
Dalandan. Ano?
You remember the name of the juice?
Ah, Lulu something.
Lulo.
Ah, Lulu.
This is the name of this one.
Ah.
It's citric. And now, we will have the chance to try Lulo juice.
Lulo. Fruit.
Fruit, not juice.
C.
Yeah, but it's citric.
Aha.
It's delicious.
Ah.
No, the skin.
Ah, not the
no.
skin. Okay, okay.
So we can eat the skin.
Okay, okay.
Just this portion inside.
Ah, I used to eat this. Okay.
Skin, right?
Sometimes. Okay, this is Lulu.
And lulo, we can eat the skin, the guava, and the rest of the fruit.
Awesome.
The green one, we can eat the skin too. We have to peel, right?
Ang asim.
The guava, if you want to eat the skin,
I think meron siyang kalasang putas sa atin na maasim. Parang medyo kamyas.
is this one. Next to tree tomato, lulo. Yes, and what happens right here? This one is called.
Let's
One right here.
So guys, so parang siyang lansones na green.
Comfortable. It's in the old city. It's not too expensive. It's cheap. So right here, local and tourists, yes, are right here. It's really good.
Parang siyang sampalok, buto ng sampalok.
It's really good.
Ay, hindi.
Really good. So
Santol.
we used to eat our lunch between 12 o'clock.
Dito yung tsura niya, pero lumon niya, parang buto ng santol.
This is our schedule.
So ngayon guys, titikman naman tayo ng arepa de huevo or dito be, tinatawag nila na arepa huevo.
Corn, as you can tell.
So-
and inside has only egg, right?
Egg.
Only
Huevo.
egg. Yes.
Ayan guys, ganito nila gawin tong ating arepa. Ayun no, nakita nyo yung ginagawa doon ni mother. Ayun, ayan, kinat niya na. Oh, diba, bongga. Perfect. So,
How was the flavors? Was good?
so tikman natin to yung kanilang arepa huevo guys. Medyo mainit.
Who mix?
Mm.
Really? Oh my god.
Itlog yung naman niya.
I was happy.
So yung tinapay niya is
So we like to take
gawa
off
sa corn flour ata.
No?
So nilagyan nila yung itlog sa loob eh. Pranito nila. So naluto na lang itlog sa loob.
That's why just
Kaya yung flavor niya talaga nakadepend doon sa lasa nung kanyang pinaka bread or yung kanyang dough. O yung kanyang butter. Butter, tama di ba?
On time, watch your step. On time, watch your step to order avoid accidents, please.
So ngayon naman guys, susubukan na ba tayo ng kanilang beer dito, beer? Cheers. So guys, cheers tayo. Titigwa natin yung beer naman nila. Okay. So ano tayo be sa cafe ng pangalan is La Passion. Sana ako titignan ng camera ko, no? Oo. So ngayon naman guys, ito-try natin yung kanilang coffee with lemon.
Okay, guys. So this ladies, she wants
Gracias.
to provide us information. Go ahead, take the floor.
Hi guys, we have a coffee reserve where we grow, produce, and roast our coffee. So we have three fermentation processes. Okay? So we have one process that is that
Ang asim guys.
consists in the fermentation of the
Coffee na lemonade na. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird for me with coffee, but it tastes like lemonade.
So it's really different. So right here
I like-
in Colombia,
I like them both.
everything is special. Everything is
But not together. Ayun, so para sa akin, be, mas lemonade siya kaysa sa kape. Kasi, syempre pag kape, kailangan pinapagising ako, di ba? Tapos lemonade parang refresh. Mas refreshing siya kaysa sa panggising.